6 people shot, 1 killed in a shooting at Albany State University, and we've learned the victim who was killed was a teenager from Atlanta. Tonight, new reaction from students who are still in shock.
Last night was crazy, man. Police everywhere. Twin, they was snapping, they was tripping. Like, I guess something happened with somebody. I guess somebody passed away. Condolences to the family. It's horrible to hear that. Just trying to have a good time at homecoming, man. Went outside.
The ASU campus is quiet today as students reflect on the tragedy that occurred last night. One student I talked to said she doesn't plan on attending any more large events for fear that this may happen again. Others say that this incident is not an accurate reflection of Albany State.
I do give my deepest condolences to that family who lost their child. You know, nobody should ever have to lose their child like that. And for the other individuals who were shot, I wish them a speedy recovery, most definitely. But yeah, I most definitely believe that, you know, we as a campus can come together and support one another. And I believe our student body definitely has a love for one another beyond what events happened last night.
I mean, it's crazy when you try to come down here and have fun, and you don't really get to go back home to your family. You know what I'm saying?
Those that were on campus at the time of the incident tell me that although a tragedy occurred, they are pleased with how law enforcement responded.
The police department, from Albany Police Department, ASU, and I think I even saw Lee County Police. They were really proactive. They really got everything done really fast. And I just appreciate them making the arrest fast and, you know, doing a good job at securing the area.
In terms of what happened last night, I'm sure that was beyond anybody's control. In all honesty, and nobody was aware that those events would happen. You know, but I believe that our police department here, with ASU PD and the local police department, is doing everything they can to make sure that the students are safe and protected with everything they're doing here on campus.
The entire Albany community sends their love and support for the Golden Rams.
Several agencies are investigating a motive for the shooting. Classes are scheduled to resume tomorrow. Community advocates got together today to advocate for health services at the redeveloped Atlanta Medical Center. The city just announced their plans for new housing and shops at the site of the shuttered hospital. The organizers are concerned about a lack of adequate health care in Georgia. This afternoon, they marched the Beltline and unveiled the mural for their My Community, My Hospital campaign.
We heard about the redevelopment plans. We have lots of thoughts on them, but mainly we just need healthcare services. Specifically, a level 1 emergency center is what we're fighting for.
The Atlanta Medical Center closed 2 years ago this Halloween, leaving a gap in health and emergency services in the city. The mural honors AMC's legacy along with its former name, Georgia.